Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 16th to August the 18th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, kung po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Pabaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Capricorn, ang nakikita natin dito parang sinasabi mo, I think I need to step back a little, no? Kasi parang namamandukan ako, parang na-overpower ako, parang tanga yata, no? Itong tingin niya sa akin, hindi yata, parang feeling niya hindi ako nakakaintindi. So, what I am doing in here is hindi ako lalaban ng kung paano siya, no? Kung paano ako i-treat. What I'm doing in here is I'm gonna be a bigger person. So I'm going to step back a bit. Medyo tatahimik ako and move forward with the situation. Whether this is romantic, family, or friendship, no? Parang ang sinasabi mo, mas okay siguro kung tahimik ako. Siguro minsan, nasasabi natin dito, mali ba yung decision ko na I welcome this person into my life? Parang feeling ko, naapi ako, parang feeling ko mali yung decision na binuksan ko yung pinto ko para sa kanya, no? Dumadating or dumating na rin itong sabihin natin mga pagsisisi or nagsisi, no? So far, siguro ito yung nararamdaman ni Capricorn. Parang, ayoko itong parang sinisisi ko rin yung sarili ko. Bakit hinayaan ko? The Eight of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. So, parang si Capricorn yata working on sa i-detach, no? Itong sarili niya or even the emotion. Parang yung puso, no? Ginagawa niya parang may switch, no? Parang kailangan ko yatang i-turn off as of the moment. The Page of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Seven of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. Sabihin natin nagtatapang-tapangan no, si Capricorn. Kasi, kaya ako naman sabing tatapang-tapangan. Kasi nandun pa rin naman talaga yung care, nandun yung heart, yung emotion. However, no, kumbaga tinitikis, ayoko for a few numbers of you baka nakipag-separate na, no? There is actually a separation whether it is physical or energetic. Physical, lumayo talaga in physical form. Energetic, tumahimik na or baka naka-block or blinak, no? So probably Capricorn is loving the person from afar. There is still emotion, there is still love, no? Pero parang sabi ni Capricorn, alam nga namang gano'n na nga yung tingin sa akin, mas lalo ko pang ibababa yung sarili ko if in case na maghahabol pa ako. No? With the Seven of Cups, I think ginagawa ko na lang itong busy ang aking sarili or putting my attention into something else, something. It could be also someone. Pero with the Eight of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Page of Swords, the Empress. Dun sa mga Capricorns na naging focus sa kanilang sarili, what I am seeing in here is there are a lot of changes in you physically, no? Baka nagpagupit, nagpakulay ng buhok, nagpa-rebond, nagpakulot, no? Nag-gain ng weight, nagpapayat, it doesn't matter. Parang nakita ni person na, uy, may asin pa, no? Uy, parang bago to ha, nag-reinvent, no? Si Capricorn ng sarili niya. I think na parang sabi din ni Capricorn dito, this is the time na bigyan ko naman ng time ang aking sarili, no? This time magko-commit ako sa sarili ko. This time, sasabihin ko sa sarili ko na ikaw muna. This time, sasabihin ko na mahalin ko muna ang sarili ko. No? Um, let's check the Page of Cups. Clarified by the Three of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Ang gusto lang kasi dito ni Capricorn, i-celebrate yung mga small wins, i-celebrate yung sarili, or baka i-celebrate yung mga small wins na to share with the person, no? Pero si person kasi parang nawawala ng time, nawawala yung, at least, I don't know if Capricorn is just being emotional. Parang feeling niya nababaliwala ako. Feeling ko, hindi na ako ganun ka-importante. But, lalaban ako. No? In a way na, sino pa ba ang magbibigay ng importansya sa sarili ko kundi ako na lang din. No? With the Knight of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. So parang sinabi dito there's actually a lot of solitudes in here. There's a lot of ako na lang muna, sarili ko na lang muna. Yung detachment, separating themselves from the dynamic, may paghahabol dito eh. No? For those Capricorns who are already doing this, I am seeing that there are chasing, no? So parang sinusuyo ka ng person. I think that this is the person's way of telling you that they apologize. With the King of Pentacles, there are mga regalo in here. Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, there's really an apology. Capricorn, I believe that this is a pace wherein you're telling yourself, no, na hindi na, kailangan magbago din si person, no, ng pagtrato. Parang nahalata mo, sumosobra si person sa'yo. So, tignan natin dito ang emotion ni Capricorn. Or this could be your person's emotion. My beloved, and I'm yours forever and ever. So, nakikita nyo naman dito, I think that this is your person's energy na parang nanunuyo talaga. No? Apologies, regalo. So, parang nililigawan tayo ulit. No? Yan, kinikilig na naman agad si Capricorn. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. No? I'm seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, baka Capricorn ito, no? Sagittarius, Leo. Yeah, so this is your reading, no? Capricorn. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, kung po yan sa kabilang channel, Papailan TV, no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Capricorn, kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili niyo. Kung meron kayong mga deeper questions at alam niyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. Nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Now, ang bubungad po agad is yung question form. So, sa baba ng question form, nandun po yung information, how much per question, the QR code, the name and number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1 that's actually a promotion, you know. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yung information sa description box. Ayan. Capricorn. I wanted to know na to diretso pa rin po atong ating sabihin nating manhunt. Ayan. Ba't ako na-post doon? So, nandun po yung sa manhunt, no? If you want to book, or if you want to win, rather, a private reading, report, no, itong fake accounts, screenshot, and send it to the designated email. Kung hinahanap po ninyo itong X-Files or readings about exes, no, diretso po kayo sa Facebook, that is Babaylad TV. No? Nilipat po natin yan doon. So this is your reading Capricorn, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.